sweet kind of bluesy song by LaMontagne. And it's called, what is it called? It's called Roll Me Mama, Roll Me. And this is in the style, I would say, if I may be so bold, as Mississippi John Hurt. Got that really sweet picking. It's the sweeter side of the blues. So this song, I'm going to break it down to the intro lick, which happens a lot in the song. It's kind of hypnotic. And by the way, he doesn't do it the same way every time, so no worries there. But I'll give you just the meat of it. So you got a C chord here, right? And you're going to use your pinky working off your high strings. You got your 3rd fret and you're pinching it. I'm doing a finger pick style. So the lick is you're working off your C chord. You got your pinky on the 3rd fret of your high E string, the 3, and then you're picking up the C note, and then your open E, and then the 3rd fret, on the B string, pinky note. And then it does this. With your 2nd finger on your 2nd fret of your G string. That's what it looks like on its own. But with a chord, you want to make sure you keep that C form going. So it's a little bit advanced in terms of the picking thing, but even if you did it with a pick, that repetitious, really hypnotic blues sound. So that is the intro lick, and it's also the lick that happens between the verses. And in the verses it just stays, pretty much stays in this. Sometimes he follows it to a C7th. Then he goes to an F chord. Now you can do this a number of ways. You can do the ouch chord. Okay, but he hits a 7th, so it's even a bit of a stretch. Here it is. That's what an F7th looks like. You might be familiar with that. But if you want to go easier, you can just do the bottom 4 strings. Do this. I often do it this way. I'm doing an alternating bass, or just go and hit that 7th. Pinky on the 4th fret of the B string, and then back to your C. Okay, so that's the verse and the chorus feel. I mean, the verse is the chorus, really. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. And then the real theme behind this thing is that lick. Now if you can get an alternate bass going, he's got a bass player doing that. So don't worry about that too much. All right, let's go to the bridge. And by the way, this bridge is going to walk us right out of the song. So it's a B flat, looks like this. Okay, it's a bar chord, and if you want to, you can include that F note in it, which is in the chord. Up to the C. Then it repeats it again to the B flat. That little Joni Mitchell vocal thing. Now he goes to an F, make it a 7, back to the C, back to the F, 7, C. And he just walks it out with just kind of an improv. If you want to, you can go. That's a nice way to end it. Fade out. Remember fade outs? Long, slow fade. So yeah, that's a cool song. It's got that hypnotic, as I said, Mississippi John Hurt feel to it. I like Ray's voice on this. He's got that gruff kind of, just the perfect voice for a rolling blues like that. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hit me up with any requests you got, and I'd love to hear from you. See you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.